Today I'm doing a video of my mom's cute restaurant. I'm gonna start with the outside patio since no one is out here right now because there's lots of people inside. They're probably staring at me through the window. Okay, so we have this adorable patio and the lights turn on at night. So we have a couple tables out here that people can sit at, a little bar, and this door goes from outside to inside so people can go in and out. There's a ramp or just a step up to the front door. So cute. So this is what you see when you open the door. We've got a little syrups and a beer fridge right here in the opening. And then you see like the cocoa shirts. This is the bar area and kitchen, and then you can see all the seats. Super fun. Let's see, we've got a waitress right now. Mom's cooking back there. She's the chef of the year. How long have you owned the Buckle? Over a year now, huh? Year and a half. Do you still like it? It's busy. Fun. Sorry, Ricky's helping. Right here we've got the drink stations, the cups. This is the ice machine. Sorry, I'm in the way. Ice machine, all the drink stuff. This is a vlog. I'm making a vlog. And we have lots of inventory down here.
I've done ranch dressing for that salad.
Cherry. Right now we've got tables full, more tables around the corner. Super fun. This is the kitchen. The floor is so slippery, so we've got towels all over. What is this? A little fridge, cold area, spices, plates, a bunch of fun stuff. Thanks. Dishwasher. The bathroom. Oh, it's locked. Big oven. Giant fridge. Giant fridge. Back to the kitchen. Back here. More fridges and freezers. Food, boxes. More fridges and freezers, bunch of inventory, cups and stuff, a little office, and the beer fridge with all the food. Hey Ricky.
What's up?
You sitting in the window? Has that been busy today? There's a funeral today, so it's been busy. I'm just in the way over here. Just videoing. Mom's hard at work. I'll order chicken. She's always got her speaker going. I'm off to get some tortillas. I think this is the right kind. So my mom bought this restaurant from a lady in town and she's been running it ever since. She loves it. She's awesome at it. I remember coming here as a little girl. It wasn't called the Gold Buckle at the time. It was called Blondie's Diner, but now it's the Gold Buckle Grill. So many people stop here and it's so fun. I got the wrong tortillas, so I'm back. But anyway, let's see. Aha, this kind. So people stop here. It's on the way to like Yellowstone and Jackson Hole and the Tetons and stuff. So people stop here in the summer, like from all over the world. We're gonna get a map so people can put pins in, because people have come in from like Asia, Iceland, Germany, Italy, France, like all of these crazy, crazy places. It's so cool to meet all the cool people. So, yeah. Nice kind. So we're sitting at the bar. We've got these giant suckers that come with kids' meals, or you can buy them. Everyone loves the kids' suckers. These are the shirts my mom made and sells. And then other people bring stuff like there's jewelry and ropes and other like cute little wood stuff that people sell here. Rugs over there. Just like cute stuff everywhere. Candy. So yeah. Look at this beautiful assortment. What is this? Cheeseburger?
Bacon cheeseburger, Malibu chicken,
Malibu chicken, tacos. So yummy. These plate sizes are huge. Oh my gosh.
Chicken tacos.
Hold on, what did you order?
Chicken tacos.
Chicken tacos?
Doesn't she?
Me?
My
Sherry,
wife is so cute.
thanks. Aww, you are so sweet. Grandpa's getting his drink. Root beer with some syrups. What syrups? Here. Yum. Grandma and Grandpa are here at the buckle before they head home. It's fun to see them all here. Grandma and Grandpa in front of the cute buckle. Travel safely, bye.
You're doing a video.
Yeah, you guys are in it.
No, we need to put you in it.
Tell me how to do it.
It's already recording.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Just hold it.
Here is the adorable Kylie in front of the Gold Buckle Grill, which Uncle Dennis calls the Brass Knuckles. Whatever it is, it's a great place to eat. The food is exceptional. It's beautiful
Thanks,
weather,
Grandma.
and Kylie's beautiful.
Thanks. Travel safely. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, all the customers left. So, I can actually show you the rest. Their tables still need to be cleaned, but this is the dining area, I guess. You can see the doors to outside. Cute little booths. And there's bathrooms around this corner. So cute. These are all the tables, mirrors, and we actually have pictures of family of them in Cokeville or just ranching. That's me and my brother Jack. That's my dad. And like cousins, uncles, more little cousins. So cute. Uncle, cousin, me, and some other cute little girls that bought our Cokeville shirts. There's the view to outside. So pretty. It's the cutest little place ever. We love it. It's so fun. Hello. So I'm in the first little back area. I'm gonna show you the most beautiful view. Out the back. It's so pretty. Welcome to Cokeville. So gorgeous. Then if you go out, this door, this is where people usually park. Well, the workers usually park right here. It's a little bright, but there's the clinic where my dad works. So gorgeous. So this is like the back. I guess it's, so there's the highway, there's the front, this is the side, and the back of the buckle. So pretty. Dad's here now, and Barbara and Uncle David. Hi. This, the steak and shrimp Beautiful. Looks so good. Ah! Yum. Look how peaceful and pretty it is out here. Gold Buckle Grill in all its glory. Beautiful. So peaceful. Love Cocoa. Delicious girl bowl. So yummy. We just swept and mopped and cleaned and wiped everything. All the dishes are done. All the food is out and covered. Chairs are up. Soda machines are taken off. Lights are off. All closed up. So next time you're driving through Wyoming, stop at the Gold Buckle Grill and come say hi. Until next time, Gold Buckle Grill. Bye. Thank you.